Good evening, my friends. Hope everybody's doing okay out there. Got a couple ducks out here quacking around in the rain. They can't make up their mind if they want to eat or fight. It's been a gloomy day. Gloomy day it has been. Cloudy, drizzling all day. Yeah, kind of been busy last couple of days doing a little work around the neighborhood. Making that extra dough. I guess we're playing follow the leader. Whoop, there we go. Look at the smart dove. The smart dove over there says, y'all fight, I eat. Come another dove. Hope y'all have had a blessed few days. I don't know what they're up to, but anyhow, I just wanted to take a quick video. Some old clouds up there. Looks like it's gonna rain tonight. Got some severe weather possibly. So what can you say? They like my little bucket out there full of water. They don't only drink it, they get in it and take a bath. So I got to change it. I change it probably 2-3 times a day. Try to keep it as clean as I can, you know. Uh-oh, he gonna run the doves off, I think. No, that guy there is mean. Look at him. Man. Mean old quackerheads. Look at him, he even walk with his head down like he's somebody. Look, he's watching him. He says, hey, don't even think about it. Me and my girlfriend over here. It's got to be a male and a female, because he ain't running that one away. Look at them flicking their wings like that. He's over here say, shoot, I'm gonna go over there where the bird feeder is in the tree and eat in the ground. Look at him flapping his wings. See him fluffing his wings? I reckon I thought they did that in the summertime to cool off, but it's definitely not hot for that, you know, but I don't know. I ain't no duck doctor. Okay, just want to do a little short video. Been a minute. Sound like a jet. Whistling, you hear that jet? Sound like he's kind of low. Well, I hear the froggies chirping in the rain. Old bullfrogs. They can sure make a lot of noise at night. All right, my good friends, y'all have a blessed night, you and yours. Be sure and like, if you don't mind. Have a great night.